Welcome back to my channel. You should have all by now set up a transcription gig. And I'm going to tell you terms buyers use when they give you an order. They will tell you that they need a clean verbatim or a non-verbatim. Clean verbatim is when they don't want filler words. Example, ha, who, like person repeating, okay, really, they don't want those words. So you take them out of the transcript. They tell you that they want verbatim, you leave them in like they want all the word that is spoken in the audio. So you leave them in there. I'm going to show you for my basic package. Well, as you see, I offer verbatim transcription, but I do not give verbatim transcription unless it is specified by the buyer. But I give it there because some buyers want to see that they can order. You have to give everything that they can order from you. Time reference is given. The timestamp. Proofreading is proofreading it before you send it off to the buyer. I'm going to tell you tools you can use to do the proofreading. Minutes included. Revision. If you can maybe give 2 revision when you're new, you can maybe go up to 2 revision. I only give 1 now because I am we call it a rookie in this business, so I only give 1. And the days of delivery, I give 5 days. But if you know you're just starting and you're doing 60 minutes, you may have to, if you're not working on 9 to 5 or you're working from home, you can give them up to maybe 60 because 60 minutes is not an easy task. But to listen to order, they don't have the tools to use to get the work done. It will be very difficult. So maybe you can give them 7 days, 8 days, depending on what they said. And as you see, these are the reviews. The buyer reviews my order. Seller is super humble and get the order. They got the fast delivery. There were some spell errors, but nothing major though. Another one give me excellent transcription. And this one is 5 days ago, captured all the audio perfectly. So when you don't get good reviews or like a Fiverr will demote you from page 1. And my objective is to stay on page 1. That for the buyer, when they go on the page 1, they see your gig first. So that's the objective of going on page 1. So in my next video, I'm going to show you the tool I use to get the job done. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, and subscribe.